Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network. Did Gilbert Verdian use QNT investors? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Decent Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet with 2x package, guys, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below, guys. And Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including ERC20, Stellar, Hedera, XDC network. So do check it out, guys, because I really like putting my crypto in a cold storage, a hardware wallet, guys. So this is my personal preference. Do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Quant at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Quant. The price is up 1.40% for the day. It went as low as $92, guys, and as high as almost 96. Okay, so $96.5. So the volume has also increased 34.26%. The market cap 1.40%. Obviously, if you look at the 7-day chart, guys, then it is down 5.87%. It broke down from its support, guys, the crucial $100 mark. It has remained intact throughout this bear run. At least most of the time, guys, it has been above $100. Check this out. Even in the monthly, it went as high as $115, as low as 96. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, it is down 9.35%, guys, for the year. It went as $150, as low as $85. Again, it came back to that attraction point, guys. That attraction point is $100, guys. So let's see if it reaches that point back, or it comes down. Let's see how it goes. This is the all-time chart, guys. It is significantly up since its all-time lows, guys. Check this out. Up almost 33,364%, guys. But since its all-time highs, almost $400, it has come down. If you look at it, it's almost 77.55% down since its all-time highs. If you look at the all-time low over here, guys, it says up 58,000, guys. So massive gains, guys. But in recent times, as the price action hasn't moved much, and the FUD has been there around for QNT for quite some time. When other projects have performed well, people are saying that Quant hasn't. So price action especially determines a lot of things, negativity, everything. So I wanted to share a post with you guys, a really interesting read. Let me share this. Check this out, guys. This from QNT is the key, guys. This account QNT is the key is not your uh, usual fodder or something of that sort, guys. He has been an ardent QNT supporter. I remember this. So coming from him seemed interesting, guys. Let me show you him or her, regardless. Anyways. QNT fam, you are not going to like what I have to say, but I'm going to say it anyways. Gilbert Verdian used us all, guys. So the starting remark, guys, it is, I mean, shocking and mind blowing. Gilbert Verdian used us all to raise operating capital for Quant, and then he abandoned us all and left out to pasture. The real truth, he could have created Quant Network and Overledger without a token attached to it. This means that QNT doesn't have that utility or that use case. The Quant network and Overledger could have been made without a token attached to it. So basically, he used the money, the capital gains, when it went up to basically to basically his own whims and desires, from what I understand. Anyways, or he could have just used a stable coin to power Overledger. So he could have used a stable coin to power Overledger if he needed to. But if he had done that, no one would have bought it because there would have been zero promise of price increase and profit potential. So, okay, so he created QNT. And then he spent tons of time in the Telegram group, Reddit, and Twitter interacting with the QNT community. He took the time to answer questions. If you remember in the initial stages, Gilbert was extremely active in the QNT community. Yes, you might remember this. Anyways, he educated all of us about the power of Overledger and how it is connecting everything and connecting the dots and its use case, utility, etc. He pumped us up all up on the role that the QNT token will play in the ecosystem. He did all of that until September to October 2021. Then he stopped interacting with us. Why did he stop? The apologists will tell you he stopped because Quant and QNT isn't for retail, it's for institutions. So yeah, yeah, I have heard this as well that yeah, why would he answer questions to retail while this coin belongs to institutions? He shouldn't answer the retail at all. Yeah, I've heard this. Anyways, okay, then why did he spend so much time interacting with us from 2018 to 2021? Good point. I'll tell you why. He used this to pump the shit out of his token. We all became a free marketing arm for him and pumped his token. We did. And then what do you think of Quant? Think Quant did? They then proceeded to dump on us incessantly all through 2022 and 2023. In 2023, Quant had already sold most of the QNT tokens they held. I think that even if they have sold it all and now Quant, if it becomes a brand and they give the Quant users, the investors a proper use case going forward, I mean in the ecosystem, and they try to build it out, then I think that it can be resolved. But if I'm saying a big if they have done this is not ethical, obviously, to pump it and dump it on the head of the investors. Anyways, in 2023, Quant had already sold most of the QNT tokens they held. The circulating supply almost matched total supply. They had taken their profits and left us all as bag holders. They no longer needed us. That is why Gilbert no longer interacts with us, because he doesn't need us or care about us, period. In crypto, when you have a team that stops giving updates to their community and stops interacting with their community and stops caring to fight FUD about their project or token, you get what we have all been experiencing for the last few years, a mostly dead token. I want to be very clear, Quant is an amazing project. So in the end, he's saying that Quant is an amazing project. The QNT token is likely an excellent long-term investment, 5-year horizon. The QNT token has very, very real use cases on Overledger, but in crypto, no one cares about that. Crypto is all about hype and narratives, and when the team stops communicating with its community, the hype goes away. But guys, if I want to add something. He agrees that Quant is a really good token, I mean, and an excellent project. Then I think that the sort of pump that happened over here, it was bound to be for massive profit taking, guys. Massive profit taking has happened, and even if we look at the technicals, this is an accumulation phase basically. If it doesn't come here back down, I mean that would be a massive dump. But if it stays intact in this range, I mean it will eventually 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. I mean it will eventually go back to its all-time highs and beyond if the use case and development happens, if the partnerships happen, all that sort of stuff, then we're bound for that. I mean, massive profit taking, it takes time for the redistribution of tokens and everything of that sort. But I agree that yeah, they should communicate with the team. They should communicate with they should communicate with the community. But anyways, so yeah, I don't have a ton of hope for QNT in this bull run. Will it appreciate in price? Sure, in a true alt season, almost everything will. But is it the best place to park your money for this bull run from a profit potential standpoint? I'm fairly certain the answer to that is no. The answer to that is no, and I've placed my bets accordingly. If you want to maximize your profits for this bull, the tokens to be in for the second half of 2024 are AI, RWA, gaming, and memes. I threw up in my mouth while writing memes, but it's true. Do with this information what you will. So, do with this information what you will. What do you guys think about this information and how you take it? Uh, there are some coins that haven't pumped yet. Obviously, they are bound to pump a bit more because their market cap is low. People should understand investment. Up until this point, we haven't seen a utility run yet. So, by statistical data, by historical data, we should basically rely on market cap for that information, for that reference point. If utility overtakes market cap in the future, this theory will fail. But up until this point, guys, if a coin has a micro cap, it is bound to obviously fly more, like Quant did back when it had low market cap and reached this. From here on forward, from 1.1 billion market cap, guys. For a 10x, it will need $10 billion. For a 100x, it will need $100 billion. So, guys, it takes time. This is a slow and gradual process to move so much money. So this is basic economics, I think. Up until the utility overtakes it and we go up to insane market caps, and even if market caps do not matter and a lot of money goes through these projects, the utilities. So yeah, this might take that slowly and gradually Quant will reach these higher levels, but considering the market cap, it will take a bit time. This will be a slow and gradual process, unlike what happened over here. I mean, this was massive. Yeah, if a suddenly a use case comes or a big hype happens, it reaches 10 billion or it reaches 50 billion or suddenly, I mean, that is a whole different story, guys. So we've been waiting for XLM, XRP, really good projects on that end, but it takes time, guys, from that initial pump to the to basically managing it out for to all-time highs. It takes time. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. What do you guys think about this information? I would like your opinions in the comment box below. Do hit the comment box below for this. Anyways, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check it out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.